To have a complete picture as you chart your path, we believe that every smart technology transformation is a workforce transformation. Welcome to the evolving workforce experience at the Smart Factory, where you can explore how your organization can assess gaps with workforce capabilities, upskill workers to meet critical future needs, and use data to drive intelligent action back into workforce and talent management. Discover workforce and talent strategies that achieve your Factory of the Future vision, allowing you to attract and retain workers whose skills are aligned to the new ways of working, and understand the human impact of smart technologies and how to achieve the ideal human-technology mix. These solutions will help you as leaders to drive a change-agile culture, fostering innovation, continuous learning, and conditions for successful transformations that push towards more digitized, automated, and intelligent processes. We'll uncover key insights into how you can enhance workplace safety and sustainability, leverage digital monitoring and XR learning to minimize disruption to critical supply chain, manufacturing, and maintenance operations. Finally, these solutions will help you structure the right organization and governance to leverage data-driven insights at all levels of your workforce. To help you think about the art of the possible in human terms, we will encourage you to put yourself into the shoes of those who matter most, members of your organization. We've created smart workforce personas to facilitate critical thinking and engagement in each space and with each solution throughout the experience. Once you've completed the evolving workforce experience, you'll be prepared to tackle tough workforce issues, including visualizing the ideal human-technology collaboration and talent management requirements to enable strategic planning so your organization can retain agility, resiliency, and your competitive edge.